Hey guys, so I did a rebuild of the Spintech Race-1 frame, and this is a 3-inch version. Before I was running the 1106 8000 kV motors, and I've switched them over to these new RCX motors. They're 1304 5000 kV, and I'm running the GemFan 3020 two-bladed prop here. Let's see, I didn't change much else. I did change the ESC. I went from a 20 amp ESC to a 12 amp ESC, and it's because these larger 1304 motors are lower kV and more efficient than the 1106 8000 kV motors. You know, I was using those 1106 8000 kVs on 2S, getting roughly 2 minutes of flight, maybe 2.5 minutes of flight on a 650 2S battery, and I wanted to get better performance and more flight time, and I think this is the motor to get on a 3-inch prop. Yeah, I was getting, I think, close to 7 minutes of flight time, just kind of cruising around really. If you're kind of pushing it, maybe like you can get about 5 or 6 minutes. And I was running this on 4S, not 2S, so on 5000 kV. The top end RPM is higher than on the 8000 kV 2S motors. Just all around, just a lot better. And I can go to a smaller ESC as well. That's a little bit less weight. So, yeah, but I already did a review on the frame and everything, so I'll put a card in the corner to that video if you want to see more details on that build. This is not a whole lot different, other than I changed the ESCs and the motors, and everything else is pretty much the same. But you could see how different this flies compared to the old setup on the 1106 motors. I think that I think I did a review on the 1402 motors a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to be doing more videos on sort of these bigger motors for these micros in upcoming videos. So stay tuned for those. Anyway, here's some flight demo footage, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.